Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Well guys, I am coming to you today to share a yard sale haul. I went yard sailing today. It wasn't the best, but I was still able to get some items. So I figured before I put them away or get them washed that I would share it with you. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep watching. Before I get into the video though, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I upload new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So if you don't want to miss any of the videos, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click that bell. That bell allows you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. So guys, let's get into this video. Alright, the first item I got, I will start with clothing, is this skirt. See the pretty little details here on the bottom. And it's by Faded Glory in a size 10. So I paid $1. The next item is by Daisy Fuentes, or Fuentes, and it's these shorts. Okay, I like how it's cuffed here on the bottom. They have not been washed yet, so that's why I'm trying to do this video so I can put them in the wash. And as you can see here, it's a size 10 and I paid $1. The next item I got is this letter M. Again, my last name is not M. However, I am trying to collect these letters to make a sign, and this one was only $1. So I absolutely like this. And then I got this mug. Actually, the lady did not charge me for this mug because I bought the 4 velour suits from her, the shorts and the skirt, which came to $10. This, she said, was $1, so I guess she decided not to charge me for it, so this was actually free. And then I went to another yard sale where I got these 2 items. This, as you can see, it says $2, but I ended up getting it free because here on the back you can see, no, it's this end. See how it's damaged? She said I could just have it. Don't worry about paying for it. And I said, are you sure? She was like, yep. So I am going to try to see if I can fix it. If not, I'm just going to take it to the Goodwill. Okay, and it is this tray. It's in a black and white. And it says stuff like espresso, iced cappuccino. So for absolutely free, like I said, I'll try to make it work. If not, I'll just take it to the Goodwill. And then I also got this from her sale. Look at this, guys. Look at the size of this. I'm sure this is at least 16 inches tall. Absolutely beautiful. You can put a huge candle in this. I was like, oh my god. And guys, check out the price. $1. So yeah, this was definitely coming home with me. And then the final item that I got from her, I may take a picture and insert it in the video because it's so big. I only paid $2 for it, which will be really good for the spring of next year. So I'm super excited about using that. Then I got this item. Guys, this is so heavy, but I want you to see the base on this. You see how pretty that is? And it's actually a cross. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. And again, I would say this is maybe 18 inches. Absolutely gorgeous. If I decide to keep it, I will be spray painting it, but I have a girlfriend who collects crosses, so I may give it to her if she wants it. And guys, look how much I paid for it. Yep, 75 cents. And the next item that I got is actually this light right here. Okay, didn't have a shade, but absolutely gorgeous. I definitely will be spray painting it. I think I'll spray paint it either like gray or silver to go right here on this desk. And guys, it was only $1. Okay, I just need to get a shade for it. So I'll be on the hunt when I go garage sailing for a lampshade. Alright guys, the next item I got is this outdoor pumpkin decor. It actually lights up. I tested every one of them. I actually got 2 in this size and then 2 larger ones, which I will show you. She had she was asking for $2 for the small ones and $4 for the big one, which was a total of $12, but I asked if she would take $10, which she did. So I ended up getting all 4 for $10, and like I said, I tested them. They all work, and these will be going on my back patio. And these are sold, I think, at HEB, and they start off like, I think the small one is like $29.99, and then the large one are $39.99. So getting all 4 for less than $10, I mean for $10, that's an amazing deal. So like I said, I got 2 of this size, and then I'll show you the other 2. Alright guys, and this is the other one. I apologize if they look scary, but I don't celebrate Halloween, so when I put it on my back porch, I'm going to put this part that cannot be seen like to the back. So actually, like when I display it, I'll be displaying it, you know, kind of like this, so you don't see, you know, this part right here. But like I said, they work. And this one, as you can see, it has the price there that says $4. But like I said, instead of paying $12, I ended up paying $10. Okay, and guys, my last item, like I said, it's just too big for me to put on this table, so I'll go ahead and insert a picture. Guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again guys, thank you so very much for watching this video. You guys be blessed. Have an awesome day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.